Today we're diving into the world of SMS messaging apps for Android. If you're looking for ways to enhance your texting experience, you're in the right place. So, let's get started. Write SMS Messages. Write SMS Messages is a user-friendly messaging app designed to streamline your SMS experience. It features a clean and intuitive interface, making it easy to send, receive, and manage your text messages. One of the standout features is its powerful search function, which allows users to quickly find specific messages or conversations. Additionally, Write SMS Messages supports message organization through folders and categories, enabling users to keep their texts organized and easily accessible. Customization options such as themes and fonts add a personal touch, making it a versatile choice for users who value simplicity and efficiency in their messaging. Chomp SMS Messages. Chomp SMS Messages is known for its extensive customization options and rich feature set. This app allows users to personalize their messaging experience with various themes, notification sounds, and LED colors. Chomp SMS offers functionalities such as quick reply, scheduled messages, and the ability to block unwanted numbers. The app also supports group messaging, MMS, and integrates seamlessly with third-party apps for sharing media. One of its most appreciated features is the pop-up feature that allows users to read and respond to messages without leaving their current app. Overall, Chomp SMS is ideal for users seeking a highly customizable and feature-rich messaging application. Mood SMS Messages. Mood SMS Messages is an innovative messaging app that focuses on enhancing the emotional aspect of texting. It features a unique interface where users can choose from a variety of moods or themes that reflect their feelings, which can change the overall look of the app. Mood SMS not only allows standard SMS and MMS messaging, but also offers engaging features like sending animated messages and stickers that match the selected mood. The app emphasizes a fun and vibrant way to communicate, making it perfect for users looking to add a personal and playful touch to their texting. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of Write SMS Messages, Chomp SMS Messages, and Mood SMS Messages has given you some great insights into enhancing your texting experience. Happy texting, and see you in the next video.